For May 2024, Athearn is pleased to announce the next run of the HO scale Ford F850 grain truck. Introduced in 1967, the fifth generation medium-duty F-Series truck found work at many grain elevators and farms throughout the United States and Canada. With production lasting until 1979, many of these trucks remain on the road today. For this run, Athearn is pleased to announce some popular companies such as ADM, Schooler, Purina Mills, we've also added Cargill, as well as a generic white cab and an orange cab truck for modelers to customize for their own grain elevator, farm, or company. These officially licensed Ford Motor Company models featured an interior, rubber tires, and much more. For more details, select the link in the video description below. Contact your dealer for pricing. Pre-order these Athearn HO scale models through your Athearn dealer by Friday, May 24th.